And what about the brows? Do we have to use the glue for brow lamination?
It's optional. You can use it, you do not have to. It's the same like with foil, you can, but you do not have to. So, but if you use it, you can use it before the first step, before the perm, and put on a little bit of glue, not too much. A lot of people just use too much of the glue, and then I take the spoolie like this, not like this, like this, and I press it softly, gently down, and lengthen the hair and put it onto the skin. And you can also use a bit of your finger or the back of the brush to again give it a bit of a pressure. Use a tiny bit more, but as I said, not too much. You have to think the perm and the neutralize, they have to go through the glue as well. And if you take too much, then you might not get a good result.
And how long does the glue need to dry now for the brows?
It's the same like with the lashes. You should wait a few seconds. I would say 20 to 30 seconds. Take your time, prepare the perm, and then you can start to apply it.
And what about brows that are very thick or stubborn? And sometimes they do not even stick on the skin with the glue in the beginning.
Yes, then relax and put on the perm, a really good amount of perm, without the glue before, just the perm. Then wait for the 6 minutes, and then you take off the perm, and then you place the hair and fix it with the glue before you put on the neutralizer.
Okay, so in between.
Yes, because the perm opens the hair structure, and the hair gets softer and more flexible, and it's easier to fix it to the skin after the first step. So I think that's a good tip, and try it out, you will love it.